Hello, thank you for watching this video. Let me introduce you the Dennis Design side glass sensor for Cheddar automatic boiler controller system. You can identify it easily from the red potting on the end. Now I connect up the Cheddar ABC. I disable the feeder tag sensor with this wire, plus not using the gas servo because it is irrelevant now. The connection of the replacement side glass sensor is the same as the original Cheddar side glass sensor was. To do the test, I will use my own side glass, which is this one, and I prepared this to my development works. Now I use one of the Dennis Design pressure sensor too, that one. Let's see how it is working. Switch it on, and as you see, it starts up as it should. Now the side glass sensor can see some water. Can you see? That is the main reason why the yellow LED is off. What will happen if I pull the sensor up and a couple of seconds later the yellow LED comes up and the servo is working? What if I just push it back? Now the yellow LED is blinking for 15 seconds and the servo will change back. Let's see the invention of this product. As you could see, there were a couple of seconds delay between the water jumps below the sensor level and the servo switching. Now I will pull it up and down a couple of times, and as you can see, nothing happened. This is like your boat is behaving on the water, and the water in the side glass moves up and down, called water bouncing. The original sensor triggered the servo in any case when the water is going below the sensor level. But this is not. This is the water debouncing feature of this product. This sensor makes sure that the water is below the sensor level for longer term and trigger the servo after them. Conclusion: the Dennis Design replacement side glass sensor is able to cope with the water bouncing issue. Plus, it is able to cope with the high temperature up to 125 degrees of Celsius. For further products, please subscribe to my videos and search them on eBay.